If you're looking for a self-hosted email server solution, you're in the right place. Today we are going to have a look at Mailcow. We're also going to have a look at Mail in a Box and see what they have to offer and which one comes out on top. Okay, so let's start with Mailcow. So Mailcow actually delivers a comprehensive Docker-based email suite that offers more advanced control and modular management. This is great for organizations. This powerful platform also integrates with multiple technologies, including Postfix, Dovecot, Spam Assassin, and SOGO groupware. And this is to create a complete email solution. This means that there's no gaps and no missing pieces. The system also excels at managing multiple domains and mailboxes while providing robust spam filtering, antivirus protection, and also flexible authentication options via LDAP or OIDC. It's also designed with scalability in mind, and it offers an extensive customization capability to accommodate anyone that is growing their user base and evolving with their requirements. Some of the other items here is that you can have a user account and a domain management, which is capable for multiple email domains. Your mailbox quotas and granular permissions controls are fantastic. This helps you to distribute permissions effectively. And then it also has a comprehensive security setting system and also filtering rules. So it's really, really awesome. It is also free to install, and you must account for hosting and server costs. This will be based on your chosen infrastructure. Let's have a look at Mail in a Box. All right, so Mail in a Box transforms any ordinary Ubuntu server into a full-featured mail server through a single script that completes setup in under an hour. The elegant solution bundles itself with everything needed for professional email hosting. So as you can see here, you get a complete email stack. This includes Roundcube, webmail, automated DNS configuration, comprehensive spam filtering, and automatic SSL certificate management. This is also great. You get productivity features such as the support for IMAP and SMTP protocols, along with the contact and calendar synchronization, and this is through Nextcloud integration for seamless productivity. It also has a very simple administration setup, so you have a very intuitive control panel which you can manage all your accounts with, your aliases. It has an automatic backup, and it provides straightforward API integrations for extending your functionality. You can also see over here that it stands out for its approachability. It's designed specifically for non-experts who want professional email hosting without the complexity. So it has minimal manual configuration. It gives you quick deployment processes, and it also has a comprehensive all-in-one script handling for installation, securities, and key maintenance. You can also see that it is a free software model, which means you only pay for the chosen cloud server that you are hosting. And you can see that the system also prioritizes sensible defaults and more guided setup processes. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, some of the best software in the industry. Now, if you take it from me, I would go ahead and use a few different software tools to see what actually works for me. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.